Umintri rang batu kari Narendra Modi, ulapin benaya kasong Jingiarap ka baarlak tingka, bat sanpau hajar tingka shikiba minsau, haka jing Bthei ke Krem Dewiong ha East Jante Hills, kat bau Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Sangma, ulapin benaban ai lailak tingka shikiba haying jeng kilanot pa Khlad. Hak jing tho ah social media, Menteri rang batu kari ulapha ek jing snowlem, shikiba haying jeng kini kinong bala bayap, bat kitbok kikiba minsau bakin Khlad no.
Received the news that Honorable Prime Minister has announced an ex gratia of 2 lakhs. So it speaks volumes of his gesture and his concern for the families, and on behalf of all the family members and the people who are affected, we express our gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister for his noble gesture.
In addition to that, will government also?
Absolutely, we are working on it. We'll announce it. Our cabinet ministers are going tomorrow, and we'll assess the situation and we'll take a call. But definitely, we are looking into it.